So this is a continuation, part 3 in my series on why I love the W140. And one of the reasons is this engine right here, the M119 engine. And believe it or not, you're looking at probably one of the first ones that were produced and shipped into the United States. This is a 1992 500 SEL, but the date stamp on the door is September of 91. So this is one of the earliest production M119 V8 engines. And specifically, one of the things I like about it is the fuel injection system. Mercedes chose to go back to electronic fuel injection after years of using the old CIS injection system. So it's a lot different. You're going to look at it, you don't see a fuel distributor, you see this common rail here, and if you notice, you see electric fuel injectors with wiring to them. They're not mechanical. So one of the first things I learned when working with this fuel injection system called LH-Jetronic was how easy it is to do a fuel system pressure test. That's why I love these engines. It's just easy compared to the old CIS where you had to do all this hookup with hoses. You're going to look at, this is my version 3 fuel injection pressure tester that I sell on my website. It's now becoming a universal tester. You can test D-Jetronic, K-Jetronic, KE-Jetronic, and now LH-Jetronic. You don't need the lower section. This lower section is what you use when you test CIS or mechanical fuel injection. But on the LH, all I have to do is remove this cap and I can screw this right on here. I attach my fluid capture bottle to the gauge. I can start the engine and test fuel injection pressure. It's that simple. This is why I love the W140.